Do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do.
I was ready to wear. Now, does it, okay, it does have combs.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Vlogtober day 2 is late. I already know I got a late start to the day because I literally didn't do nothing all day but stay in bed, and it's literally 8:11. But I'm gonna still get this video done and edit it and have it scheduled to go up tomorrow. But so what I'm gonna do in this video is organize and clean out my refrigerator and my snack cabinet because I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow. So I figured I'd let y'all watch me, you know. I am tired. I don't know why I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm sore because I went to the gym yesterday and got a great workout, but I hurt. I don't know if y'all can even see me. It's bright because I got this one super bright light, so I know I look real bright, but yes, I do need to get up and do something productive, and I've been talking about cleaning out my refrigerator all day, so I'm gonna finally get up and do it. I know I've been lazy, but that's because I'm tired. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Go clean up my refrigerator and my snack cabinet. I've already written out my grocery list, so I ain't been completely lazy. I written out my grocery list for tomorrow because I got 2 stores to go to. I'm gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna go to Pete's. And then I need to I was gonna start my orientation class today, so that'll be the last thing I do after I finish organizing and throwing out some stuff in my refrigerator and my snack cabinet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start my orientation class because school starts on the 24th. So come on, let's get this started, y'all. Let's go into the kitchen. Okay, y'all, so I finished the refrigerator and the snack cabinet, as y'all saw. Now I am back in bed looking for a movie to watch. I'm looking for a movie to watch, and I am starting my orientation class. It's basically like a starter class for before your first day of school, to kind of give you an idea of what to expect when school actually starts. So I'm doing that and like getting everything set up for like notifications and stuff, and how I want them to come through when I have like assignments due in a couple of days or something like that. So that's what I'm doing now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and watch Hocus Pocus 2 because I have not watched it yet. Me and my baby were supposed to watch it together, but she got friends now, so she be ditching her mama. So I'm gonna do that. Get started on this orientation class, watch Hocus Pocus 2, and then I think I'm going to straighten up my room a little bit, because it's like not super bad, but my bed is looking crazy. I got snacks and plates and books and clothes everywhere, and then I need to put up this laundry. So other than that, that's what my day is looking like, or my night, the end of my night is looking like. Just something real quick, something productive, because I've literally been in bed all day, like just tired. I don't know why I was so tired today. I mean, it's Saturday, and I don't get very many Saturdays to just sit in the house and do nothing. So that's new for me. I didn't do nothing today. I didn't go nowhere today. That is new for me. So yeah. So yeah, that's how I'm about to end off my night, y'all. That's all I got going on. I just want to do a quick little, you know, clean and organize with me, my refrigerator and my cabinets, or my snack cabinet. And then I'll do a grocery haul tomorrow when I go grocery shopping, so y'all can see what I buy and how I set everything up in the in the refrigerator and in the snack cabinet. So that's all. I ain't got nothing else going on, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little glance at this orientation, watch this movie, and chill for the rest of the night. I take that back, because I'm still have to edit this video and schedule it for it to go up tomorrow. So we're going to finish this orientation, watch this movie, edit this video, and then chill. And then I'm gonna probably take a shower. I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna do a quick little yoga session, because your girl is sore from yesterday's workout. I am sore. Like, all this right here, all this up in this area hurts. Okay, it hurts. I'm not mad at it, because no pain, no gain, or no pain, no loss. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to lose this little tummy and get everything else in order. So I didn't make it to the gym today, although I did want to go to the Zoom class this morning, but I didn't make it. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and have me a little yoga / stretching session right here in my room, and just kind of just relax my body, and then yeah, that's it. So perfect timing, my battery low, so I need to charge this battery and switch the other one and put the other one in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up on all my social medias at CEO Chrissy, CRISSY, no H, at CEO Chrissy _TheShay, and I will see you guys in Vlogtober day 3. Bye. All day long.